So this first area, or of the remaining two, master and reference data. So this was one of the concepts that I was most unfamiliar with as I started my study of this field. And I hope to provide you guys with kind of an intuitive understanding of what is entailed by these terms. So master data is information about business entities. It's collected and preserved in a source of truth transactional data system, and that provides a resource for the entire organization. This reduces variation in how critical entities are defined and identified, and it allows for data to be shared across business functions and applications. It promotes standards of shared data models and integration patterns. So master and reference data is really important for like integration and interoperability across your organization. And then similar but different, so reference data is meant to be used across the whole organization, or it could be specific to like a given organization or a business unit's challenge, I suppose. But it's by definition gathered from an external data source, and it's used to provide context to the organization's data. So that might be like credit report information that's aggregated and provided by a vendor like TransUnion. Or it could be data from like the local data portal about like public utilities in the area, or national census data, data from a marketing aggregator like Nielsen's, or anything along those lines that would fall into the reference data category. So pretty straightforward there. For master data management, the most important thing is to make the plan to store the data into a system of record, then do that collection of business entities and making sure that the metadata tags are very clear, and finally set up an ongoing monitoring process. So this again goes back to like, what steps do we have in place to ensure data quality and to identify any areas of discrepancy, catch them, and remediate them. All right, so moving right along.